gusto mag-aral, Baguio ang sinabi ko na. Pero of course, hindi, ang hirap din talaga yung boarding house at saka allowance ko. So I have to sacrifice for my dreams. Kasi pinili ko mag-aral din. Nagkatulong ako. Ano, all around ko nakalibre ako sa tirahan.
Mahal kasi yung
Working student ako para ma-sustain ko yung mga pangangailangan ko sa pag-aaral.
So, ikaw yung panganay.
Pangalawa.
Panganay. Grabe, ang ganda ng
Kaya ngayon narinig sa kanina na ilab ako dun. I-push mo baka mamaya maraming opportunity dun sa Baguio sa kanila. Kasi kung writers ka or whatsoever, maganda rin na mag-umot ka dun sa mga religion.
ang daming spots kung saan pwede kang makastay for like a long time na umupo ka lang with all the scenery.
Yes, tapos ako mahilig na ako sa Burnham Park, nag-uusap ako, kumakain tayo ako ng fishbowl, ganyan, tapos nagre-review ako dun. Masaya na ako dun na ganun.
That's the biggest part I saw sa Burnham.
Higa lang ako dun sa bra.
Yes. Sila yung may napakagandang taho flavor which is real strawberry, fermented strawberry.
So after dito sa Davao, Manila, destination na kami ng Baguio.
Oo. So Manila to Baguio, but mag-flight na lang kayo kasi mas malapit yung flight. Kasi pag Manila kayo, it's like 5 hours. Yung trip, kung fly kayo 3 hours lang, Baguio na.
Ano na tawag nito? Nakabook na kasi yun eh.
Oh.
Naka-book na namin yung namin. So ayoko nang i-reschedule.
Oo.
Ay, so ikaw pala from Davao, nagsakla ka, lumapag?
Yes. Fly kasi kapag may pinupuntahan ako, tinitingnan ko talaga saan yung mas madali o mas convenient sa akin.
Dati kasi may airport kasi noon ang Baguio sa Luwakan.
O na ngayon, ginagawa ng task force na military airport na lang.
So nagulat ako nung sabi ko, mayroon mag-book ka ng flight papuntang sa Baguio, sabi ko gano'n, meron din. Tapos hindi na gumagana yung airport. Hindi kasi, nag-iisip na yung kasi
Kasi, maraming din, yung tawag nila sa Bisaya, tagnet. Yung mga maliliit na, pinakamaliit na insekto na sumisip ng dugo. Hindi, parang kumakagat lang.
Pwede bang insektong sumisip?
Dito, may crocodile dito dati. Wala na ngayon.
Pwede ba yung sumisip ng sama ng loob?
Sana meron.
Diba? Ay, naririnig ko ang nagaslap ng tubig.
Yeah.
Later ang dating. Sana nila lang table ka dito parang tinatawag maglakad o nakatable ka. Ito ang gusto ko yung lakad ng lakad. Pag pinaupo ko na ako, doon ko na nararamdaman yung sakit sa katawan ko.
Meron pala sila mga dam?
Gusto ka namamalig yung pa ako pag matagal ako nakaupo. Kasi, ang sarap parang di ba, yung nature ang dating.
Yeah.
Na ang sarap ng upo. Ito ang gusto ko pag nagre-review akong ganyan.
Ganyan yung sound ng background sound.
Tapos andito lang ako sa kakahuyan. Nung sa Baguio ako, pag nagre-review ako, pupunta ako sa mga hindi mataong lugar na para akong nagtatago na hindi ko maintindihan yun. Pero kung kasi nagtulog lang ako, nag-aaral kami only in the nature.
Yeah.
Against the world.
Grabe na yun.
Ang ganda ng ay, ano ba ito pag lumilipad na? Sa mata ko? Lipad sa mata ko.
Ano yan? Yung mga tagnok yun sa, hindi ko alam po ano yung Tagalog na doon. Meron silang yan, paniki. Paniki. Ayan si Kuya nagtitinda ng sausage curl.
Kaya,
Sa akin wala.
gumagano sa mata ko na ano, kasi mamaya papasok sa loob yung mata ko. Sunglass na lang ang para to protect my eyes. Dito po kami ngayon. Mga agad. Gagawin mo naman ang salita. Ako naman sa iba, sa page ko naman ito. Yan.
The paniki is gone?
No, ako man ito.
Di magbuto nalagay na ano dati. Na pwede ka makakanta.
Di-transfer siguro nila kay maybe ma-disturb kapag sa tao.
Stress na ko doon.
Di-isolate na nila kasi actually it will not be stress. The bats, yeah. Who has to use it?
That was way back before COVID. Pearl. and they will.
Expensive because it's a real pearl.
Oh, really?
We put an wire on it and it didn't melt.
Maybe he's planning to buy.
He didn't melt that one.
Maybe that's because when I bought once, I'm gonna try for
Yeah.
before I go.
But the thing is what they do, they do one, and then all the other ones are fake.
I between she's interviewing the guy there who's sealing those pearls and stuff.
Literally, it's probably the base from here to the balloon and around. And it's weird because like you'll see in different places and all of them they've got like I said, I got
It's NFT only.
yeah. I got all the pictures. I got all the pictures. And I get 360 driving up. So you'll see eventually.
Hope it won't rain. I think it's always raining.
It's a great backdrop.
But you know,
Yeah. Or now.
Sa Greece na ano ba?
walang pala ko nang
6.
adults. No. Pwede ba kami Robert Garcia.
Pero kuan ko ko sa kahit igot ka ng malimot ko. Kanang manako ng lugar pero kanang nakupot ko sa pa-enjoyment ba din. Nako makatulog ko.
Ako po nakalate ako sa ano si Karen?
Manalo ko noon, dali na makugitan. Remember na lang kayo. Sana di.
Yes. Sa guard lang po, sir. Just request.
Ilong yun.
Wala. Wala tayo na.
vlog.
We vlog you.
How much for the white? Ay, dito ba dadaan?
Yeah. So much graphics.
We can start.
So good morning, Mama. So welcome to Filipino Center. My name is Joanna, and I'm a student volunteer tour guide here at Cambodia. Before we start, Mama, sir, I have some guidelines right here that we need to follow from stage to court. So let's just keep off restricted areas, and let us avoid making noise and sudden movements when we're closer. And when you take pictures or videos, kindly turn off flash and front and front lights.
No smoking inside. Take only the pictures. Leave only the
Murag yun, mabasahan na lang yung uban.
Take only the pictures, not the birds.
It's a 1 hectare facility.
Hala, they're crying now.
It's good that we have a tour guide. It's hard to explain. It's hard to translate, Rob. So I'll relax now.
It's very good that
Did you know the name of the trees? What are those trees?
I'm not really familiar with the picture, but most of these will have Nara, Mahogany, Sinawaan, Neptune trees, Philippines.
Pinos Lakwa.
We got some people behind us. Let's let them pass.
I am a boy.
Pwede kami magano?
Here we are now inside of the 1 hectare facility or 1 hectare sanctuary of the Philippine eagle. And we have, of course, a tour guide. Then I feel I'm lost my job. I'm losing my job because we have no a tour guide. All right. Look at these big trees right there. It's a huge one. Napakalaki po.
Maliliit na buyog
That's
pala.
actually the oldest tree here in the facility, sir. It's 100 years old.
Wow, that's 100 years old. Want to take a picture of this 100-year-old tree? Wow.
Hi.
Ay, right there pa, ma'am. Redwood of California.
Ay, yan pala.
Yeah.
This is ang Tarzan nga ginakuan.
Oh, yeah. We call it in Bisaya bagon, but I don't know what is bagon in English.
Pangalan niyang kahoy?
It's a ratan. Ratan niya
Mao gani?
ang bagon.
Unknown na po siya, ma'am, due to
Due to sa napakatanda.
old, ma'am.
At saka hindi mo naman din pwedeng pakialaman kasi
Yes po.
endemic
We have the
na.
vines po supporting the tree.
Yes.
So that tree actually po, but we have the vines po.
It's a great tree na.
Patay na siya.
Yes,
Patay na siya. Condolences to the vine.
Oh, we have this what we call this yung mga maliliit pa. Sabihin, it's lawaan.
Ayun po sa London, sir. One of the projects with the Kuya Foundation is to produce 3 million trees for people.
And then we're gonna buy that and plant it whatever we want, or
Ano, sir? Just for adoption, sir.
yeah.
We're gonna adopt it for 400 pesos, sir. And the foundation will decide where they will put the tree.
Yeah, that's nice. And the mosquito na start to go to Jollibee or the fast food.
No,
It's Richon,
Lichon.
imported Richon. Wow.
See that? Litson? It's, you cannot eat the litson now.
You can see, right?
It's a bee. It's a tiny bee.
Ah, bee.
Oh, they also have crocodile here. Let's see how big.
Yeah, the crocodile that doesn't move.
Sanitize.
It's just one.
What is this for the box information?
Golden brown bat. Outline bat.
Crocodile again. We will see a saltwater crocodile. So even though they're saltwater, they can still survive in freshwater. And inside Manasseh, that's Gold Beaver, one of the first residents here in the Philippine Eagle Foundation. But he's blind because people throw rocks and poke him with sticks and cataract.
Ah, so may
How
katarap.
long will he live?
70 years.
How old is he now?
40 years old, sir. Around 40 years.
Sabitan niya yan.
So they're nocturnal salmon, sir. So most of them are only active at night. That's why people throw rocks at him or poke
Gabi na
him
po
with
siya kumikilos.
sticks
Gabi
so
na
that
po
he
siya
will move.
Does he have a friend?
No, sir. But we have another crocodile in another enclosure
Oh,
later on. We'll see. So Gold Beaver is a 13 feet long crocodile.
What do you feed him?
Rabbit, sir.
Ah.
We feed them rabbit but once a week. Yes, sir. And around 5 kilos. Yes, sir.
How many rabbits are there?
That depends on
Kadako, no?
Yes, they don't feed chickens and pork here because they have the outbreak of avian flu and African swine.
So rabbit is an alternate.
Yes, sir.
If rabbit is the African swine, it will not affect to the rabbit.
So, where?
Let's say tayo pa.
Oh, babalik tayo. We'll detour.
Bye, Lolo.
Let us not detour before to water
Is
crocodile.
that crocodile a girl or a boy? Male.
He needs a partner. When pag-asa need is, pag-asa is a girl? Pag-asa need is wife. So no wife, no human wife.
We have a Burmese python and python. So, also pythons, they're non-venomous, so they can spray due to constriction. And inside the monitor, that's Zuma. Zuma is a family pet, and when the family can't take care of them anymore, they turn over Zuma here.
How big is he?
Around, 8 to 10 feet. And he's really big.
Let's see. It's the, I think it's the smell of the flowers and the
Oh, me. My eucalyptus.
Oh, it's you. I use eucalyptus at home because there's so many mosquitoes. But not spray, it's oil.
You need to spray like that.
I know it's not eucalyptus, it's citrulina. Oh.
Wala na dito sa ano no?
Wala doon.
Wala doon. Yung anak ko dako.
Ano, pero ano?
Dili siya yung anak ko dako lang.
Yes, sir. The food here is rabbit,
iba talaga yung nasa eksaktong lugar ka. Kasi this is the good place for
That also depends on his diet.
oh, like us. No diet yet.
Yes, two rabbits.
Hi, you're moving now.
At once.
Wait, we will be there.
Okay, so this is the power. Have two yellow-headed water monitor lizards,
Monitor
also
lizard.
called as bayawak or
Hello. What is the difference between halo and big? Halo and
halos are bigger.
big as well.
Yes, sir. And we did have this dark skin color, sir, while them have this yellow black.
I love this girl. She knows a lot.
Oh, there she is. Oh, they are couple. Are they, what do you call that? No. One woman
Monogamous?
monogamous?
No, sir. But our Philippine eagles are monogamous, so they take one partner for a life.
Yeah.
One of the reasons also why they're critically endangered.
Sana all.
Oh, and the
Eh, kasi
butterfly.
hindi siya nag-aasawa ng marami kasi.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh,
They
it's
just live their life.
this is bayawak in Tagalog, bayawak.
Hello in Bisaya.
Halo in Bisaya.
Oh, this is what we eat.
Yeah,
Yes, ma'am.
yeah. It is endemic.
Yes. There's so many of this
Where
in the
yan?
province.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, and it tastes like turkey with chicken. They will not eat you guys. Oh, guys, it's okay.
Look at it.
It's a butterfly challenge. It sends a message that we will be going to their sanctuary. Yeah, the butterfly
Sanctuary.